Good morning, children. So, children, today we begin with a new topic, that is water around us. So, children, why do we need water in our life? Yes, as food is important for us, water is also important to live for all human beings. Okay? Plants, animals, human beings. We all need water to live. Can you live without water? No. Can animals live without water? No, they also need water. And even plants, they need water to grow, right? Now let us know about the uses of water in our daily life. How do we use water in our life? We use water for brushing our teeth, right? And also for cooking. And after cooking and after having meals, we need to wash these utensils, right? So we need water to wash utensils. Fine. We need water to take bath, right? And also to clean our house, to mop the floor. And to put out fire, we need water, right, children? Other uses like washing clothes, cleaning car. So water is very important. When we are thirsty, we look for water, right? Water helps in transport. You must have read in your lower classes water transport, air transport, land transport. So with the help of boats and ships, people travel from one place to other, right? Not only people, even we can transport things, right? So water is important for many uses. Next is sources of water. So what do you mean by sources of water? That means from where do we get water? Like in food, from where do we get food? We get from plants and animals. Similarly, from where do we get water? We get water from rain, and the rainwater fills the lakes, the rivers, the ponds. Fine? And these are called natural sources of water, right? These are from nature, like rain, lake, river. Fine. Now children, what happens when we get rain? So when we get rain, these are filled, the rainwater fills the ponds, lakes, rivers. And some rainwater passes through the soil and gets collected under the ground, below the ground. You see there water, right? And this is called what? Groundwater. Now, we get water from ground. You know how? With the help of hand pumps, right? Wells and tube wells, right? So, we get water from all these sources. And also, dams and canals are built to use river water. And these are man-made sources of water. Dams, canals, tube wells, hand pumps. Right, children? Now, children, how do you think the water reaches our homes? You know how? Now, all the waters that are stored, okay, we use mainly the rainwater or the water from the rivers that is passed through the pipe. Can you see here the blue color pipe going to the house? Yes, it goes to the pipe and then we get water through taps. Fine. This is how we get water. Okay. Next is water in food items. Lot of water is contained in fruits and vegetables. Have you noticed it? For example, cucumber. When you cut, you will see lot of water. Watermelon. lemons, right? Tomatoes, strawberries, pineapple. So in these you will see a lot of water is contained, right? Not only these, there are other things. Can you name it? Yes, bottle gourd, papaya. So all these have lot of water. So when we take these, that means what? The water goes inside a body. Our body also contains lot of water. Fine. As we had done in the previous chapter, we should drink lot of water and eat fruits and vegetables which have lots of water. So children, we'll end our lesson here. I'll just read the chapter up to water in food items, right? So take out your EVS book, chapter 5. Now, water around us. So, all living things need water to live. Water has many uses in our life, like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and cleaning, watering plants, and also water is used to put out fires. Fine. So, boats and ships travel on water. Water is used in factories to make different things. So, not only we use water for drinking and watering plants, but also in big factories they need water to manufacture things, right? So, plants and animals also need water to live. Okay, you see fish, can they live without water? No, they need water. Even plants to grow, right? We need to give water. Now, plants get water from the rain and their roots also get water, that is under the ground. Fine. That water that passes through the soil and goes down underground and waters are collected. So with the roots takes water from there. Fine. Now, animals drink water from rivers, lakes, etc. This is why we have to water plants and give clean drinking water to our pets. Now, sources of water. We get water from many sources. There are two sources of water, natural sources and man-made sources. Now, natural sources are what? Like rivers, ponds and lakes are natural sources of water. These sources of water are filled by rainwater. Okay, when we get rain, the rainwater fills all the rivers, the ponds and the lakes. The water that we get from rain is called rainwater. Now, some water also goes through the ground and gets collected below. The water present below the ground is called groundwater. Now, we get our groundwater by digging wells and using hand pumps and tube wells. We build dams and canals to use river water. These are some of the man-made sources of water. So these are all made by man, isn't it? Well, dams, tube, hand pumps, taps. Now, how does these water reaches our home? We mainly use rainwater and water from rivers for our different uses. Now, different uses like transport. Remember, boats and ships are used. Okay. This water reaches our home through pipes. We get the water through taps. Fine. Water in food items. So we know that fruits and vegetables contain a lot of water. Vegetables like cucumbers, radishes, tomatoes and cauliflowers contain a lot of water. Fruits like watermelons, melons, oranges and strawberries have high amount of water. So, we end our lesson up to water in food items. Fine, children? Okay, kindly go through what we have done today. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye, children.
Thank